Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your goals on the Pedometer application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the settings icon down below, which is the first option, and click on the first section, set goals. Here, as you can see, there are a bunch of options, such as you can select your step goals. You can tap on the plus icon if you want to make it bigger, or you can also size it down a little bit by tapping on the minus button. You can also select how many calories you want to burn a day, how many kilometers you want to achieve, how many minutes you want to sport, and also the floor steps as well. So if you are done with selecting all these features and aspects of your daily goals, tap on the save button down below in order to save all these information. If you want to, you can change these anytime by simply going back and sizing them up and down. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.